Hello, friends! Welcome to Lively Tales and Tunes. Let's have fun today.
Hi, friends. I'm Penny the Pineapple. Today we're going on a colorful farm adventure. Can you help me find some amazing farm vehicles? Let's go! Let's see what we can find today.
Let's go. Let's find colorful farm machines today. Search around, look and see. What colorful machine can it be? Come on, friends, let's explore. Learning colors and so much more.
Let's see what we can find today. Can you find the green tractor? You found it! It's the green tractor! A tractor pulls heavy farm equipment and helps farmers get their work done.
Green tractor, strong and bright, helping farmers day and night. Pulling wagons, here we go, helping everything to grow.
Fantastic finding, friends! Let's go find another colorful machine. Let's go! Can you find the yellow combine harvester? You found it! It's the yellow combine harvester. A combine harvester cuts and collects ripe crops to help farmers gather their harvest.
Yellow combine, big and bright, harvesting crops with all its might. Cut and gather row by row, helping farmers harvest grow.
Fantastic finding, friends! Let's go find another colorful machine. Let's go! Can you find the red grain truck? You found it! It's the red grain truck! A grain truck carries harvested grain from the field to the silo, where it can be stored.
Red grain truck, strong and bright, carrying grain day and night. From the field to the bin, helping farmers bring it in.
Fantastic finding, friends! Let's go find another colorful machine. Let's go! Can you find the brown hay baler? You found it! It's the brown hay baler! A hay baler gathers hay and rolls it into big round bales for farmers to use later.
Brown hay baler, round and neat, rolling hay can't be beat. Big round bales, here they stay, helping farmers every day.
Fantastic finding, friends! Let's go find our final colorful machine. Can you find the blue farm sprayer? You found it! It's the blue farm sprayer! A farm sprayer gently sprays crops to help keep plants healthy and growing strong.
Blue farm sprayer, spray so light, helping crops grow just right. Healthy plants, green and tall, helping farmers feed us all.
Fantastic finding, friends! You found all 5 colorful farm vehicles today. We found the green tractor, the yellow combine harvester, the red grain truck, the brown hay baler, and the blue farm sprayer. I'm so proud of you. Remember, keep looking, keep learning, and let's go find it again soon. Bye-bye, friends!
We found green, yellow too, red and brown and bright blue. 5 farm vehicles, hip hooray! Thanks for learning here today. Wave goodbye, see you soon. We'll be back with something new. Come with Penny, learn and play. We'll find more another day.
Remember, keep looking, keep learning, and let's go find it again soon. Bye-bye, friends!
Thanks for watching, friends. Please like, subscribe, and share to help us reach our next goal of 1,000 wonderful subscribers.